Before we get into this, Pete, you know, some read one article in the paper about 2 months ago where the chef at Senton. It's like one ball field must have been near him restaurant. So, you know, one time the man them play some ball and them drink some soup after on a Friday evening or something. So the nigga them, you know, must say drink some soup on Friday and not pay the boss. Say them want him and them not send on the dog money. So the dog don't do nothing more than just boil up some dog. Yo, you have to take bad things with jokes, you know, funny still, you have to laugh. The chef boil up some dog soup, give all of them. You see him? Because ball of them not send on the money. What a wicked boy I is. So you ball of them do you know, man. Them beat him sick, man. We don't find the article still, but I said them out of the easy still. I said, a chef wrong up, the chef can't give man them dog soup. You see me? But we see in a situation now where there's growing concerns that Chinese restaurant owners are now preparing and serving dog meat in the establishment to unsuspecting customers. Yo, the nasty so man, I could have wanted to do no care about that, but on China down so. We don't know a dog thing. Dog our friend, we don't eat dog. You see me I say? But the situation now is that it is not only occurring in Jamaica, it is a Caribbean thing, and by the looks of it, it is becoming a global thing. Have a
Citizens are today being urged to exercise extreme caution when purchasing food from Chinese restaurants. A recent video posted to social media of what appears to be a Chinese national skinning a dog near a food establishment in Diego Martin has caused public concern. Today, Health Minister Dr. Fuad Khan said he was horrified by the video but not surprised.
I realize that the amount of stray dogs in this country have disappeared. And also, you don't see them in a pound, so they have to be going somewhere. So I have been very particular because I know in China, rats are eaten, dogs are eaten, and so do cats and other things. And the Chinese government is coming down on quite a few of those people doing it.
Dr. Khan says it seems migrant Chinese nationals have brought some of their culture to this country, but there is little that can be done to stop it. He says the present Food and Drug Act addresses the importation of food items, but it does not cover issues like this.
When you mix meat with MSG, vetsinatid, and you soften the meat, the taste will change as well as the actual meat consistency, and it will look like beef or pork or something. So one has to be extremely astute for what they're eating, and they won't be able to tell half the time.
Yo, them Chinese people are taking things too far, you know. You see me, I say the people them reach a level where them deep in the regular egg thing and make them egg. And I like them I try to trick people and give them 2 duck egg or, you know what I mean? The people them start make some egg. Look here.
Artificial eggs from China have flooded markets in left-ruled Kerala. Usually, Reds in Kerala look to China for inspiration from Mao to markets. But artificial eggs saw many Keralites go red with rage. These eggs had a coating of plastic and contained a cocktail of dangerous substances like starch, organic acid and calcium chloride. Eggs found even in upmarket supermarkets were found to be artificial and imported from China. This had many fuming. Some even broke the eggs to show the plastic content. How to identify artificial eggs? Plastic or artificial eggs look normal but are hard to break. When boiled, the egg yolk gets harder and will be like rubber ball. If you light the shell, the egg white, it will burn just like plastic. And that taste, definitely not like normal eggs. These are reportedly coming from Tamil Nadu. A normally vigilant health department is yet to issue a statement or even a caution on Chinese eggs. Earlier, plastic rice had flooded Kerala markets. That too came from China. So next time you buy rice or eggs, be careful.
Previous video that I did looking at foods that we consume, I made mention of the fact that if it's not natural and if it not come out of the sea, or if you not come off of the land, I don't want it. So, them people here decide say, yo, for people who have their mentality, they might try to trick them too. You want to say, I come across a little thing when I see a woman with one cabbage in her kitchen and a plastic make a cabbage charge. Look here.
Alright, greetings ones. Alright, this is me this morning. Decided to do some little clothes off for the family. I boiled the little clothes and stuff. So what got me strange, what's strange about this cabbage now is that I didn't chop up the part, but it had a fungus. Excuse. Right? And right here. And I was like tearing off the top because then it was going fungus all through the cabbage. So I cut off that. Alright? Now, so I watched this video on YouTube a time back when this body made some chemical and made cabbage out of it. So it's about I decided to burn fry it. Can't have you. Come on. Right, keep the fire on it. So I'm gonna turn on the stove. I'll show you the thing. Now this is the cabbage. I'll put it on the stove. On the fire. Catch it. You see it burning till you chill below it. Burn on the side. Burn on the side. And burn on the side. I gotta turn it off, right? Show you that. That's it. Very burn. And it take enough for you. Now check it. Now the heat, where the heat is. You could do so like a balloon. The whole got the plastic. Check it. Here is on me. So it is. And hard. Like rubber. Now this is something to console. No. This is beer shape. But it smell like? Smell it.
You?
Describe that. What that smell like?
Plastic.
Correct. So this is kind of cunt that we be buying to eat in these times. Alright? Let me show you where this is. Right? I make garbage. Cabbage. If I don't see it growing, you not eat it. Fuck that.
Oh, alright, the people in my skin and the people feet you want to look like. You see me I say. So right now, I'm up on not Chinese, right now, I even buy not Chinese. No supermarket, but a Chinese run, much less restaurant. But you know that, you understand? See? So, you must know when I priest, there are some people love them Chinese food. You must know what you eat. If me don't know it, I don't eat it. You understand what I say? Right now, the things that are way. But telling you enough of the ailments and illnesses what doctors are having difficulties diagnosing and treating. And some of them things they cause it. You see me I say, it might have seemed simple, but it can't simple. See, it can't be simple. So people, just be vigilant here, so be cognizant of what you're ingesting in your system. See me I say, because our health we are dealing with, man. Plasticky people might give you to eat, all sort of something. Yo. No night to do you know.
Chơi lồi à này? Chơi lồi à? Ma lô hổ của gì à? Ma gõ khai là thế nào gõ khai à? Đi kìa nào?
Đi lấy cháu. Xem có tay cho vào đó, xin chúc em làm sao đấy. Máu bị khó này. Wow. Đi đâu mà ta ta xuống. Nó bị khó. Nó bị khó quá. Ai luôn xưa. 이거 나 숭아 아재 이거 우리 타이거 아이고 나 숭아 아재 이거. 걔라 꼬지가. Rồi xí ta để xe ta sang nó rồi đấy. Có dân không là này người xí đánh mình tham được ha. Sang rồi. Sang rồi. Quá không có khẩu. 你對落做乜嘢啊？縮個頭。
係啊，個個鏡佢縮個頭啊。
縮個頭，呢個縮個頭。
誒，甩皮啊！